Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to check if a given number is within the specified limit or not, right? So the function takes integers as input and then the number to check, right? So here 5 is within 1 and 10, right? So we can simply do something like this, right? N in start comma end, that's it, right? In operator. What happened over here? Third case is 100 and then 50 and 150. Why is it false though? Why is the thing operator failing? Okay. So it should be, if it is there, why is it passing? It's always false, right? It's always false. Why is that happening? In this and this. So, okay. So 30 is there and 30 is not there. That's why it's just a thing, right? Uh, Maybe because if we do in, it's just going to compare like the two thing like 1 and 10 only, right? Not the whole range. So range maybe start and then end, right? So range will give out the list and stuff, so it should work, I guess. Yeah, this plus one, I think we will need to use that plus one because end won't be incorporated, right? Otherwise. So yeah, that's how I did it. Let's see how other people have done it using in operator. But yeah, this is also good solution. Good solution, in my opinion. Best, in my opinion. All right, I simply used a range, a little bit different way. All right. Okay, let's see how other people do it. But I think this is the most elegant solution. Start n is greater than start greater or equals to and then end. Yeah, this is the best solution. Okay. So yeah, thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.